everyone, welcome back to my channel, How to Download YouTube on PC. So let's get started, step-by-step guide. Step 1. They begin by opening a browser, Chrome in the demo, on the computer. Step 2. The presenter navigates to YouTube via the browser search. You can see top right corner profile, click on it. View your channel, click on it. Step 3. They click the three-dot menu and button Cast, Save, and Share, click on it. You can see Install the YouTube app, Install, click on it. Back to screen confirms that YouTube has been successfully installed. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.